Hey y'all, today is Tuesday and it is July 26th, the day before my baby leaves to go back to Virginia. And we are doing a seafood boil. Don't mind this. Hi. She's actually doing the seafood boil, so come on, let's get ready.
You didn't bring me the potatoes.
Oh.
Do you slide on all your nights like this? Do you try on all your nights like this?
Y'all, it smells so good. I know this is not aesthetically pleasing, but it's good. Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 20. Today not Tuesday, Lord. Today is Thursday, July 28th, and it's like 9:16 in the morning. I am on the way to drop the fellas off because this one here is headed to camp at UTSA, in which they have offered him a scholarship. So he's going to camp, heading to San Antonio, and I just wanted y'all to wish him luck, make a great impression.
Comment down below, like, subscribe, all that
good stuff. Comment down below, like, subscribe to my channel, all that. Have something to say?
What's up, y'all?
I don't have much going on this week. Nothing today, but remember, this is a peek inside my world, so y'all gonna come along. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time here, welcome. I am Ursula. Today is Sunday, July 31st. Y'all, tomorrow is Monday, August 1st. Can you believe it? We are 8 months into 2022. Like, this time is just going by so fast. Oh, and I'm in the car because I just left from visiting my dad. And I'm headed home. Hair is still not done. This is my weekly look when I am not filming, shooting any type of content for The Boutique. This is my attire. So anyway, I did not do well last week with vlogging. I don't know what was going. Well, I do know. I'm still trying to get into the swing of things. It's an adjustment because now I have to be mindful of picking up the camera until it just becomes so routine that I just pick it up and I am recording any and everything. So don't come around me because I will have the camera. That's how I will be. That's what I'm saying. I'm speaking that. That's how I will be. People might be like, oh, here come Ursula with this camera. That's how it's going to be. But for right now, I'm consciously making an effort to remember to pick up the camera. Y'all, the kiddos go back to school next week. Next Thursday will be the first day of school. And I have a 10th grader and a 6th grader. The last of the Mohicans. I can't believe it. It's also football season, so I might have some interesting vlogs coming up here because my life is not that interesting. Like, I am not one of those outside girls. I want to be. I'm trying to be, but I'm just not there yet either. With that being said, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to click your notification bell so you don't miss out on anything that I'm bringing to you. And also share with your family and your friends. Make sure you are following me on Instagram. That's at shop_theboutique and theboutique_baddie. And also like my Facebook page while you're there. Follow me on TikTok. Yes, all the socials. It gets hard, but I am on all of them. I know it may be a little hard to hear me whenever I'm in a car, but y'all, I have to tell y'all, your girl been with our AC since the beginning of summer. So I am appreciating this AC. I am loving the fact that the AC is fixed, and I'm gonna have to talk over it. So I just wanted y'all to know I have to have it on. It is truly a blessing because honey, being without air conditioning in Houston during the summertime, baby, you will appreciate the air conditioner. Okay? So that's why I will have to talk over it. And I apologize to you for whenever I have it on.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you.
Good morning. Today is Monday, August 1st. Brand new month. I have brand new goals. Y'all, I have got to get some of this weight off of me. I love being thick. I don't want to lose my curves. I just need to lose some fat. So since today is August 1st, you know, we have our mindset that we have to start on a Monday at the beginning of the month, all of this stuff. Well, I mean, I was planning to do this anyway because I'm just tired of the extra fluff. Or I am making me a smoothie. Y'all, it's a lot of stuff up here. Don't mind all this, but making me a smoothie. I'm making short-term goals right now. And don't mind my lips, y'all. I know I need some Carmex. But I'm making short-term goals because in my mind, I have to psych myself. So I'm making a short-term goal of 10 pounds. Something that's believable and realistic for me. I know some of you, it may be easier what you set your mind to, you could do. But I am such a foodie. And I have to program this mind, y'all. I have to get this mind right, okay? Like I said, short-term goal of 10 pounds. When we reach that 10, then we'll move on to another 10, you know, just small increments like that. So anyway, let's make this smoothie. Oh, let me tell you what I have in it. I have some spinach, mixed fruit, I have some blueberries. I didn't measure anything. And I have a scoop of protein powder. This is the protein powder that I use. It's plant-based. Nobody told me about it. I was just in Kroger looking at all the different proteins. I love the Lean One Vanilla at Smoothie King. That's the only drink I get. So I was just trying to get as close as possible to that Lean One Vanilla. So this is the vanilla bean. I have almond milk and I'm using vanilla. I know some of you will say, your almond milk needs to be unsweetened. Not mine. I'm not doing that. It's enough I'm doing it like this. So I'm using vanilla almond milk. I got me some organic spinach. Let's make this smoothie. Let me just show y'all. This is the mixed fruit that I'm using. It has pineapple, strawberries, peaches, and mango from Walmart. And then I added some blueberries from Walmart as well. Now let's add in this almond milk. Again, I'm not measuring anything. I'm just pouring. Let's see how much is a serving. Serving size is 1 cup. Now I hope my blade fit with no problem. Look at this. Look. I should have put that fruit down first, but let me get this blade on. All right, y'all. Had to maneuver some fruit around, and I still have some protein powder stuck up here, but let's just see. Blend. I should have added a little ice just to make it more of that frozen smoothie type feel, but it wasn't any room for ice. Bon appetit. Hey y'all, back in the car on my way to UPS. I had a few sales over the weekend. I started my 50% off site-wide sale on Friday, and I had a few sales. You know, I mean, hey, a 1 beat a 0, right? That's what I've been told. I'm keeping it real with y'all. You know, not every day I have a whole lot of sales. Now, when I make a drop, I ain't gonna lie, I always have quite a few sales. However, I shipped 3 of the packages out on Saturday, and then these are the remaining 2. Y'all look at her. Ooh, she big. Yes, I love orders like this. This young lady took advantage of our 50% off sale. Hey, she's getting more bang for her buck, and you can too. Go ahead and check out shoptheboutique.com. Yes, shameless plug. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Hey y'all, today is Tuesday, July. This is not even July. This is August 2nd. Duh. Back in the kitchen. Got me a snack. Tomatoes with a little garlic salt on them. Trying to be healthy during this month of August. So good. Walking in the kitchen, say hello to my vlog.
What's up?
Chloe and I are getting ready to go to the beauty supply. She's doing her own hair for school next week. Hey, I'm back. We are now back in the car. This is my second place. Chloe, say hi. All right, like I was saying, Chloe is doing her own hair going back to school. And she wants soft locks. So we are on our way to go find this hair. She's being very particular about this. She wants a certain hair. She wants a certain curly hair, all that good stuff, because she's been watching several YouTube videos. So that's why we're on the hunt for this hair. What did you say? Oh, excuse me. She's been on Instagram, not YouTube. We are on the hunt for this hair, and I am now driving. So we can't vlog and drive. I don't know if I'll pick it back up today, but I'll see y'all later. Hey, today is Thursday. It's 4:34 p.m. and it is August 4th. I am still looking crazy. I told y'all, this is my look at least 4-5 days out of the week, and we only have 7. So I only really shampoo my hair and do something to it for the weekend, unless I have something else going on. But I ain't have nothing going on. Just got home, took the kids to the dentist, but we're getting them ready because guess what? They return to school next week. I feel so bad for you. Anyway, I'm getting ready to cook. I'm 4 days in. No sweets. Let me not say no sweets. I've had graham crackers. I love chips, y'all, so I haven't given them up completely, but I got baked chips. Trying to do better, not eat as many. I try to have at least one a day, but I'm really trying to not have one every day. So just pray for you, girl. We're having tacos. I'm fixing tacos for the family, but I'm fixing myself the copycat Longhorn Parmesan crusted chicken and some asparagus. That's what I'm having tonight. And that's pretty much it. I just wanted to come on and say hello. The Grand will be here tomorrow, so you guys will get to meet Britton Jr., aka Deuce, my baby. Other than that, I don't have anything going on, so I will see you guys later. Bye.
Vlog is Friday, and we have a special guest for you to meet. Deuce, look.
Say hi to the vlog, Deuce. Say hi. Hi. Yes. This is the grandbaby, y'all. Tell the vlog hi.
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 Y'all, he is 19 months.
Mama,
Okay, he's
just say
a year.
one.
He's a year. He's 1 year old. He will be 2 in January. Let him hear you say glammy.
Mama.
Say glammy.
Mama.
Say glammy. Oh, okay. That's what we doing. Okay.
Okay, we're signing off.
Good morning. It is Saturday, August 6th, and y'all, we have 5 days until school starts. And me and Chloe are at her school because today is their Cougar Craze, where she picks up her schedule and just all that good stuff that you do at the beginning of the school year. Y'all, guess what? It started at 8:30 and it's from 8:30 to 12. So y'all, I really thought say good morning.
Good morning.
So anyway, it started at 8:30, y'all, and I really thought I was doing something. I was like, it's a Saturday, it ain't finna be a whole lot of people, but oh, look at God. I got a parking space. Because, baby, it is crowded. I just did not think it would be this many people this early in the morning. I was like, we're going to go at 8:30. It's Saturday, and, you know, people won't sleep in. They ain't finna come. You know, I'm just thinking like that, right? Wrong. Baby, this place is packed. Let me just show y'all. Y'all, look at all these cars. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
They can see the license plate.
Oh, baby, we got us a parking spot right in the front. So we good to go, honey bun. Look, I know what the people say, and folk just super happy. They don't want to have to wear no mask, all that good stuff. But guess what? I'm still gonna mask up. I don't know where these people been, who they been around, what they doing. So we're gonna mask up, and you should too. Y'all, that was quick, wasn't it? We already made it back in the car. Chloe has her schedule. She has her hoodie because they don't play. You know, she still wears uniform. She is in the 6th grade, the beginning of middle school. When I was in school, middle school, 6, 7, and 8 were all in one. But now you have a 6th grade campus. Then you have 7 and 8, which is good. But we are ready. Are you ready, Chloe? Yes, she is. She was excited, y'all. Tell the truth, shame devil.
Who was excited? No.
She was. All right, y'all. Well, like Miss Rochelle Chanel says, all right, I'm going to call y'all back.